Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix messages notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, for stop SMS, open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messages, click on messages. Here you will see force stop. And if you want to force stop, then click on force stop. After click on force stop messages, force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, check sleep mode. Open settings, scroll down, click on battery, click on background, use age limits. Here you will see put unused app to sleep. Now turn on this button. Here you will see never auto sleep apps. Click on never auto sleep apps. Here you will see add button. Now click on add. Here you will see app. Select app that you want to add. After selecting app, click on add. After click on add, selected app will be added. Now go back. Click on sleeping apps. Click on add. Here you will see app. Select app that you want to add. After selecting app, click on add. Now selecting app will be add from your sleep apps. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Again open settings, search do not disturb. Click on do not disturb. Now turn off do not disturb. And if you want to turn off do not disturb, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings. Here you will see reset settings. Now click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix messages notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.